The buzz surrounding the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 has skyrocketed, driven by a steady stream of leaks and insider information shedding light on the company's ambitious future plans. Tech enthusiasts are particularly excited about updates from well-known industry insider Yogesh Brar, who has revealed that Nothing is currently in the advanced development phase of 3 new devices. All of these devices are expected to make their debut during the first half of 2025, creating significant anticipation in the market. Reports indicate that the Nothing Phone 3 will feature a cutting-edge configuration, including the powerful octa-core Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, coupled with an Adreno 810 GPU and 8GB of RAM. These specifications point towards a device built for both speed and efficiency, catering to high-performance demands. Adding to the excitement, a Geekbench listing under the model number 059 has further confirmed its capabilities. The device recorded an impressive 1,149 points in single-core tests and a remarkable 2,813 points in multi-core performance, cementing its status as a powerhouse in the mid-range segment. Adding an air of excitement, fresh leaks from well-known sources, including the reputable Ravi.com, suggest that a new model currently in development will feature the state-of-the-art Snapdragon 8's Gen 2 chipset. At the same time, the Pro version, which is rumored to carry the codename Hisuian, might be powered by the highly advanced MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, offering exceptional performance. This Pro variant is also expected to showcase a larger 6.7-inch display, providing users with a more immersive visual experience compared to the 6.5-inch screen of the standard model, codenamed RK9. Both devices will reportedly run on the sleek and intuitive Nothing OS, a software experience that has been further refined by integrating the latest Android 15 platform. These updates promise to deliver an optimized and seamless user experience, pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. The IMEIMA database has officially confirmed the presence of both the standard and Pro versions, adding even more anticipation to the buzz surrounding these devices. Interestingly, a third device appears to be in development, which seems to cater to the mid-range market. This device is expected to be a more affordable option and might carry a name like 3A or something along those lines. A report published by SmartPreeks reveals that 3 new models have been spotted in the IMEI database, listed under the model numbers a 001, a 059, and a 059P. The report indicates that the model number a 059 likely corresponds to a device that could be named the Nothing Phone 3A. Meanwhile, the model number a 059P is believed to represent a more advanced version, potentially called the Nothing Phone 3A Plus. This speculation is based on the historical use of the P suffix, which has typically been associated with Premium Plus variants in previous releases. Interestingly, the upcoming CMF branded smartphone, believed to be named the CMF Phone 2 and internally referred to by its codename Galaga, is rumored to have the model number as 001. This model has been spotted in the GSMA database as well as in the latest Nothing OS build, sparking heightened excitement and curiosity among tech enthusiasts. Reports from SmartPreeks suggest that the device's main camera will feature an impressive 26mm focal length, enabling users to record videos in stunning 4K quality at 60 frames per second. Additionally, it supports slow-motion video capture at an astonishing 480 frames per second in full HD 1080p resolution. The camera is also expected to come equipped with advanced features like Super Macro Mode, enhanced Super AI's electronic image stabilization, and Super Night Mode, though the final names of these modes could be subject to change before launch. On the other hand, the front-facing camera is designed with a 29mm focal length capable of recording 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. While this is slightly lower than the 60 FPS video recording supported by its predecessor, the Phone 2A, it still promises to deliver smooth and high-quality video performance. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, the Nothing Phone 3A has showcased impressive performance in the Geekbench 6 tests, achieving a score of 1,119 in single-core and 3,128 in multi-core assessments. These numbers highlight its capability as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone category, offering solid performance for its price. Meanwhile, for the CMF Phone 2, industry speculation suggests that it will also feature the same Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. This represents a significant improvement over the Dimensity 7200 Pro and Dimensity 7300 processors used in earlier Nothing and CMF models, ensuring a more powerful and efficient performance. Adding to the excitement, credible sources like Digital Chat Station have hinted at the inclusion of an action button, which could revolutionize user interaction and customization by offering a more intuitive way to control the device. Co-founder Carl Pei has also teased upcoming features focused on AI-driven enhancements designed to provide users with a smarter, more seamless experience. On the hardware front, both the standard and Pro versions are rumored to feature stunning visuals, boasting buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rates that are perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. These features position the new lineup as a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts looking for high-end experiences in a mid-range package. When it comes to pricing and release dates, reports across the industry indicate that both models are likely to hit the market in the first half of 2025. The base version is expected to come with a competitive price tag of around $599, while the Pro model could be priced at approximately $699. If these rumors hold true, the pricing strategy could make these devices stand out as premium yet accessible options for a broad range of users. What do you think about these exciting developments and the rumored features? Are you as intrigued by the potential of this lineup as we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates, deep dives, and insights about the tech world.